Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about dimensions. So now I will show you how to answer. The formula of the circumference of the art room in a mansion. That should be about this one. So in this situation, we just input the value of A and the value of B. Go to this equation in here. So we have C approximate about 2B multiplied by the square root. A we have 20, we have 20 square. B that's about 16 square over number 2. And this one approximate about 113.79 inches. Oh, sorry, that's about feet, not inches, because we have FT in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.